Hi, welcome to Backstage Pass. My name is Kim and this is Rachel, and we are standing in the beautiful lobby of the Historic Homes Theater, which saw some great activity with Matilda this past week or so. Lots of action in-house, and we have more things coming up. So
yeah, just a reminder of Tuesdays in the Park. Every Tuesday night this summer, live music in the DL City Park down by the band shell. This week, July 6th, we have Jan Severson. He is very popular. He comes every year. People love him. July 13th, then over Water Carnival, we have Doc and the Scrubs.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Excellent.
So every Tuesday night, 7 p.m., bring a blanket, bring a chair, come to the city park. If you want to come early and do picnic in the park, that starts at 5:30, and that's a fundraiser for Fuller Center for Housing. So you can come have dinner and you can come enjoy some live music, and it's very casual. You can get up and go as you please.
Yeah, excellent. So then we have more smart classes and things coming up too.
Yep, just to remind everybody, go on our website. We do, in July, we have some great children's music workshops coming up, kind of quite a wide variety of ages from 0 to 12.
Cool.
They're week long, and they start July 19th, the week of July 19th, and the week of July 26th. Get your kids signed up. It's pretty fun.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah. And just we do have a lot of painting classes coming up in August, and those are filling up. They're pretty fun classes. So if you're interested in getting signed up, do that so you get a spot.
Yeah, excellent.
And then also a reminder, we do have on July 14th, Wednesday, July 14th, we do have the Heart Shakers coming. They will be live here at the Holmes Theater on the stage, and they are like the premier Tom Petty tribute group.
So great.
And they are made up of a bunch of well-known artists who work with a lot of country singers down from Nashville, but they're just kind of known as that group. So get your tickets, come see them on Wednesday, July 14th here at the Holmes.
It'll be great. Again, more live shows.
Yes,
back
it's so fun.
And outside, so lots of opportunities.
And I should mention too that we are getting close to announcing our new season.
Excellent.
So yes, we are going to be back to normal. Our new season will start in September.
Great.
So be looking about mid-July. Tickets are going to be going on sale.
Yay. Always fun.
Yep.
So also coming up for us on the fitness side, we have the Midsummer Bike Tour coming up on Saturday, July 10th, as part of the kickoff weekend for Water Carnival. So if you haven't signed up for that, get signed up. Also on July 17th, the JCs reached out to us and asked us to host their Water Carnival 5K fun run. So that'll happen on Saturday, July 17th. Pre-registration is strongly encouraged. The run starts at 9. Walk-up registration starts at 8, or check-in if you've registered online. So, and that is starting from the exit of City Park, and you will be going to the Holiday Inn kind of turnaround area and then come back, running back. So just a fun run. It is not a chip-timed event if you're asking out there, so it's great for kids. We have pricing differentials and stuff like that if you're, depending on your age as well, so that's kind of fun. So we have those activities going on. Also this week, it is the week of the 4th of July, and our open swim time, this is between swim lessons for us. This is our week off for our swim instructors, and so our swim lessons, we have expanded open swim time, so we encourage you to get your kiddos in here. If you have friends or family coming to visit too, remember, if you're a member, no matter what type of membership you have, you do get reduced rates on guest passes. So if you have friends and family in town, we encourage you to get on in for that. If you're wondering about memberships, again, stop on in and check those out. We also have expanded fitness and aquatics class schedules as well. We kept moving outside, shifting around. Thanks to the theater, we've been able to use some great spaces in the theater as well. So check that out. You can register online for those types of things as well. And then also we have another swim lesson session coming up in July. We also have private lessons. So if you're out there and you're like, oh, I haven't got my kids in, or grandkids or nieces or nephews, we do have private lessons available as well. And then swim lessons for adults. We have talked about this before, but if you're out there and you want to be able to be just even a little more comfortable in the lake or in the pool swimming with your kids or grandkids, we do have some private adult lessons available. We have a couple just lights out adult instructors that would be here to help you out. So if you're looking for opportunities to exercise and relax we have, again, our backyard, our walking track, all of that is open. The gym, we are a backup spot for pickleball as well as the pool. So come on in and take part in the community center, any of our activities. You can find that all online at www.dlccc.org. We'll see you again next week on Backstage Pass.